Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating.
Shit. Remember when she told you she was about the Benjamins? She fell in lust with your rims on your big body bends. Girl, you gave it up so easy, you ain't even fooling him. If you did it then you probably do it again.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have a steamed fish mukbang that my husband prepared, and it is delicious. I tasted the gravy. Okay?
Me too.
So what we have is what kind of fish is this, honey?
Sheephead.
A sheephead fish, and we have carrots, onions, pumpkin, okra, potato, Excelsior crackers, and that's it. Oh, and scotch bonnet pepper and thyme. And this looks delicious, okay? But before we dig in, guys, I do want to show you guys my outfit of the day.
Show them and come on. We're back!
Welcome back, guys, and I hope you liked my outfit of the day. We are ready to dig in. As you can see, my husband already have theme fork and a theme on, and it's not here. Shut up. So go ahead and eat. So, like I said, ooh, so tender.
I know.
So this is Excelsior crackers. I've showed you guys this before. It's a crackers that we eat in Jamaica. Butter, you know. Wow. This is the pumpkin. He cut it up very small, so it's easier. Honey, we're gonna be saying the whole video now.
No, but that's it. It's yum.
Guys, we're gonna eat for a few seconds. I gotta eat. Now I know why other mukbangers say, let me just eat for a second.
Okay. Wow.
Now everything that you see on top of it is just a seasoning. Actually the vegetables, probably I said in American. Vegetable. So we poured it on top of the fish. This is similar to what
My beard gonna get down today.
your beard gonna get down, right? This is similar to the fish that my husband had made, and the video got deleted. Not deleted. The video didn't have any sound.
No sound. But this one is on the pot. I thought it was in the oven.
Let me just
Relax for the day.
And the fish is so tender.
So I did good again.
Excellent. Right, my pepper tuna.
Crackers, them nice too.
Crackers, I hate when they put crackers in the steamed fish on top of the steamed fish and then give it to you. Like if you order at a restaurant. Well, I don't really order steamed fish at a restaurant, but I've seen other people put the crackers under the sauce of dry crackers on the fish, and then the crackers don't have no flavor. It's just dry. I don't want dry crackers. Let me tell you guys, the pumpkin, the vegetable is so well seasoned.
Look at it.
So well seasoned. Oh, that's so good. The pumpkin is delicious.
I put enough carrot in there because you make your soup better. You know? Carrot good for your eyes.
That is true. Because they ain't gonna work for me.
Why? You have good eyes. Wow, good. These type of fish right here, First Lady, they mostly fillet it. Cause you got like a hard skin.
Okay.
But no, we don't waste nothing.
You know, in Jamaica, we don't fillet. We don't do much filleting. We steam, fry, bake, whatever, but we don't fillet. We like every meat, and we like, for some reason, we love bone in Jamaica. And then you just dip it in the gravy, which the gravy is well spicy.
Look at this. to the crackers, man. Wow. You mad today?
Are you following me?
Nah,
Follow fashion.
Nah, follow your man.
It's okay. It's good to follow greatness.
Oh, sorry.
What happened?
What's up with the thing, man?
You did?
Tastes good, man.
Because you want to eat my hand?
Mm-hmm. Yummy, yes.
Everything tastes so good, I don't even know where to start.
Wow.
Hey, I start here and I end up there.
Gotta crush again. No, I'm gonna stop drinking soda. I say that all the time. Wait for it. There we go. Yo, you a hater, son.
I'm not.
Real talk. You be hating.
I'm not.
You be hating, girl. Why you be hating? How was your journey? Good, delicious, huh?
Delicious. And listen, when you're eating fish, guys, with bone, be careful. I eat my fish extra slow, and I already eat slow already, so I eat my fish extra slow.
That's white meat. White meat right there. That's the meat you want. Sip, sip. Pepper, right? Getting to you?
No. Perfect amount of pepper, my youth.
Respect that.
Perfect.
That these fish, you gotta drop your nose like.
Yeah, man. Listen, any kind of food.
Yeah, man. Drop your nose, man. If you not drop your nose, man.
We love spicy.
Doing the spices, see me?
You know what's gonna go with this too? Beer.
Mm-hmm.
Nice ice cold beer.
Now we're gonna go with this. Some white rice and we're done.
Like I don't really drink like that. But oh, guys, let me show you how my husband prepared
Oh man.
the steamed fish. It's a great video.
Wow.
Go ahead and check it out. Hey guys, so this is what we're going to be preparing today. I don't know why I always say we. This is what my husband is going to be preparing today. Is 2 sheep heads that we caught at our local spot. Yes, this wasn't caught in the Keys, but we caught it in a local spot. And these are the ingredients that he's going to be using: seasoned salt, adobo, Everglades, Old Bay, and a pumpkin. Potatoes, you can put as many potatoes or as little potatoes as you want. Green pepper, okra, onion, thyme. We're going to use some carrots, coconut milk, and we're going to use a cock noodle. Now this is optional, you don't have to use it, but it does give it a good flavor. And then we have some Scotch bonnet pepper, and again, this is optional, you don't have to use it, but you know, so we like pepper stuff, so we're gonna use it. So my husband is going to put everything together, and then we will show you how it looks when it's in the pot.
Check out these teeth. Get it.
Oh my. Those teeth are dentures teeth. So this is how you want the vegetables to look. You cut them up in small pieces. If you don't want to cut up in small pieces, you don't have to. Remember, this is your dish. You can cut it up medium size, big size, but just remember, the bigger the pieces are, the longer it takes to cook. And you know, so we hungry right now, so we cut them up small, and you let them saute in the pot, and then I'm going to show you how it looks with the fish. So we have the okra, the pumpkin, the potato, green peppers, onions, Scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, everything in the pot. Okay guys, the moment that you've been waiting for. Yes, that's how you want it to look. See? After you seasoned everything, that's how you how you want it to look. You see the sauce, you see the gravy, and then you just pour it over the fish. It's just more flavor. Can't wait to eat, guys. Well, I'll see you on the mukbang.
We're back.
I hope you liked the video on how my husband prepared the steamed fish. There's several different ways you can make steamed fish. Ooh, excuse me. There is on the stove. You can make steamed fish.
In the oven.
In the oven. On the grill. That's steamed fish.
Yeah.
As long as you steam it, but on the grill it's called roast fish.
Roast fish.
But it's still the same concept.
Yeah.
It's still being steamed.
You're right. Wow.
When I'm eating fish, I chew the meat several times. I don't want to swallow no bone. I do not.
I outdid myself again today.
You sure did.
Man, you know how bad I wanted to taste it when I was cooking it?
Oh, I taste it.
I said, nah.
I taste the gravy.
You
have to taste it because, you know?
When you taste the gravy, you know what time it is, huh?
Exactly, you know. Because then you got to know if you need more pepper, if you need more salt. But yo, this is perfect.
It's not lacking nothing, huh? That's good. I mean, we does our thing.
It's a lot of bone, but it's worth it.
More than worth it, man. Now I'm gonna flip my script. Nah, I'm not gonna flip it. Nah, I'm not gonna flip it. Cause look right here. You gotta show them that. Don't play with that. Thumbnail. Love the thumbnail. Let me know.
I use that tonight. I can use it.
I love the thumbnail in your free.
I'm gonna get a napkin. Shall I put my fish?
No, look, no, you could look. Look what I'm doing. I'm just eating from on. I'm just drawing from my leader bone to the side and leaving the head.
Oh no.
Cause you know what?
I'm gonna put mine right here. You know why? Because I don't want my fish to get in my way.
Okay.
That's the bone, people.
Your thing.
I'm gonna yum fish head.
I do. But look at this one.
They saw it in the other one too.
You see the teeth? I don't know if you can see it, but you will see it.
They saw it in the video when preparing it. You saw the video when you showed them?
That teeth look like a human teeth.
That teeth is scary. So you can just go ahead and pick out the big bones. Because the good thing about this fish, because it's so big, is it has big bones. You don't have the smally bones.
Yeah. So you can see them better.
So you can see them better. That's correct.
Yeah.
You know, to be honest, everything tastes delicious, but something about that pumpkin.
That pumpkin that does it. A lot of people don't put pumpkin in theirs.
That pumpkin just
That pumpkin.
absorbs everything.
Pumpkin bring it out.
Amen.
That pumpkin bring it out, man. A lot of people don't put pumpkin, but I'm giving you a little tip. It's my secret. Careful now.
Guys, if you can only imagine how this tastes, it tastes 10 times better.
Trust me. You know me. I'm eating that with enjoyment. What's wrong? You okay over there?
You know I love Excelsior crackers, especially when it's in, well, you know, my first love is with porridge. I love my porridge, okay? But Excelsior crackers and fish and steamed fish, oh my God. Especially when it's still crunchy a little bit, but it absorbs all of the seasoning. Oh my God. So he put this at the end. You don't want to put it in the beginning. You're going to put it in the end. But you do want the gravy to go on the crackers. Don't give me a fish in a plate and then put the crackers on the side and then it's just dry. No!
I put it at the end. So it's still kind of crunchy, but it's still a little buttery. All right over there?
Yeah, I'm excellent.
You enjoying yourself?
I really am.
That's good.
I really am.
See? You know what I'm talking about? Skin is kind of hard. You should just come right over skinny.
Oh, that's true.
That's why most people fillet it. Most people, when they catch a sheep heads, they fillet. But I'm just taking meat right off of the skin because skin is hard.
As you can tell, we don't have much to talk about today, but that's okay. Oh, I'm on my earrings. What? It's okay.
Not blinging today?
I forgot.
Sometimes we just gotta eat, you know? And enjoy a little flavor. I like when you talk.
Okay, you get to eat. And I love okra. The okra, for me to eat it, it has to be cut up. I can't just eat okra whole like that. I can't.
When I'm done, family, I'll show you the skin when I'm talking about the skin. I'm just picking the meat off it. I know I should have given that some, but agree. But when I almost catch you, you know?
Be careful.
I almost catch you, man. Boy, I say too damn greedy.
Have you had a fish bone lodge in your throat before?
Enough time.
Enough time? Wow.
Yeah.
I can see why. Because you eat fast. When eating fish, you gotta take your time.
I know. That's true, man. Gotta get it.
But I'm glad you're alright.
Yeah, man. Wow, look at that big piece, First Lady.
That's a good piece.
So that could give you a piece.
No, you ain't gonna get me.
Other than trick you.
No, you ain't gonna get my ass.
Trick you, open your mouth. Why, like, open up? Got her.
You ain't giving me today.
I didn't eat a piece of that one. I know that to you.
I had my own fish. You already did it to me. What do you mean?
Well, again. I can't wait to eat this with some white rice.
Yeah, because we have some gravy left. There's no more fish.
Fish is done.
But we had the gravy left. Can you imagine that with the white rice? My goodness.
Should be here. And pay attention to it, but family, only if you have to taste this. Trust me. We ain't capping. We capping? Okay. Wow.
Come on, the napkins I have over here. One napkin, baby?
Good. I'm trying to get the meat off the skin. Oh, it's running, huh?
Yep, pepper.
Good. Good deal.
Oh, man.
Oh, no.
Martin. You start recording?
I'm done.
You sure you gave me the small one?
Now look. See how thick the skin is? Look at this.
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah.
So I got all the meat. But I'm still gonna pick some more. Because there's enough more meat. On my hands now. This skin right here can make a jacket. Leather this it up. Leather fish it up.
Leather fish?
If this fish head didn't have the teeth in there, I'd eat it because you know I love fish head.
The teeth do look kind of like
scary. If you teeth bigger than mine, what this is the skin again. See, everything is off of it.
Woo!
What happened, girl?
Look at the pepper.
Pepper. Pepper for you, man.
I had to take it out. It's burning my
I'll
mouth.
eat this. Mine is that?
You can't yum that. I told you, he been away.
First Lady, you know if this thing didn't look like that, I'd have messed it up. But look, the eyeball.
Isn't that gonna break your teeth? You yum the eye?
I think the can't see so good. We got some meat in the head, but vision, girl. Good vision. I work with his teeth. Teeth going hard. But sheep head is a good eating fish though. But
would you ever fillet a fish one time?
yeah, I fillet it, but I don't like wasting
Fish.
I like eating everything of it. But some fish you have to fillet. It's the reason why they do it. Because the skin, you know what I'm saying? Look at this bad boy now. See, the eyes is gone. I see you. Man, that was good. That pumpkin, yo.
That pumpkin.
Does it?
It just absorbed everything.
Everything, bro. Alright?
Yeah. Some yum.
Yeah, man. I love steam fish,
My
man.
fish almost done.
I love steam fish.
You sure you didn't give me the bigger one? Good. Or you finished the first?
Big one to get, man. So the monster to get. Wow.
I'm full now.
Full now?
I ought to be. I ate all the fish.
You did. You did good. Wow, sis.
So how do you guys make your steamed fish? I don't know why I even asked you guys. You guys never tell me.
I hope you like the video of me making it.
Man.
Slash camera lady.
Especially when I opened the pot. The way it looked. I'm not gonna lie. Ooh.
And we had right amount of grades up here.
Yeah. Wow. Wow.
Good.
Delicious.
Well, actually, I did good. I had leftover soda.
That's not bad because you didn't focus on the fish. Chin chin. I'm full, honey.
A little bit got on the beer today. It's not bad.
Not bad.
So you full?
You finish your fish already?
Yeah, I'm gonna pick to your side. See if I can find them. Throw my line again and see if I can catch nothing.
The gravy is so good.
Good, right?
Very good. The gravy is so
girl. So
good.
good.
So good. You hear what I'm saying? So good.
Only if they
I
know.
don't know what to say. If anybody wants to try this, they'll be like, oh my god.
Yeah, boy. See? Wow, boy. I think they would try it, but
They probably want you to cook it.
I don't know.
You're only my chef.
I don't know. Maybe one day a lucky person
A lucky subscriber gets to come and sit down with us and we cook.
Cook it, we throw it down.
Yep.
Huh?
You tell us what you want to eat, but we gotta get there first.
We gotta get there, you know?
When we get there,
baby steps.
We have a lot of stuff planned for our subscribers that we're gonna do. Trust me.
In order to get there, y'all gotta share. Hit that subscribe. Hit that, this one.
Thumbs up.
And give me a comment. I'm learning.
I see.
Getting good. I'm taking off of you. You train me good. You need to up my pay.
From free?
Woo.
You done? Yeah. I am full, guys. We are full. We devoured this fish. And I want to say to you guys, thank you so much for your support. Every time you guys comment, it melts my heart. Every time you guys put a thumbs up, it melts my heart. And just share, like, and subscribe. And the iguana video that we did of me eating the iguana, excuse me. I don't know what I did, but all of our views are gone. So I had to repost it. So starting from scratch. I'm so annoyed about that, but it's okay. Things happen. It's just something is going to come good out of it.
Happen for a reason, huh?
Yeah, happen for a reason. So with that being said, guys, thank you so much once again. And I know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you in the next video. Bye.
I love that part, Casey.
Yeah. Remember when she told you she was about the Benjamins? She fell in lust with your rims on your big body bends. Girl, you gave it up so easy, you ain't even fooling him.